Nylon foam natural gloves with hot melt edge. The liner is made of nylon and spandex with hot melt edge. Provide breathable, comfortable, high elastic functions. The palm is made of foam natural, oil resistant, wear resistant, anti-static, excellent grip, and so on. Application can be used in construction, automotive, electronics, warehouse, garden work, and so on. We provide customized service such as logo print, color, package. Samples can be sent for trial. Please follow our store. We will post gloves introduction videos every week. See you next time. Bye bye.